What up, y'all? Coming at you live here from the Chillicotin here out here at Old Crow. Just gonna do some walking and talking here. Gonna show you guys a little bit of the project we got on the go here. It's the gazebo. We had a huge snowstorm in Calgary last year that collapsed the roof of our gazebo, but we were able to keep the frame and the outside, which has the bug screen on it. So we're in the midst of constructing a roof for the gazebo and having a more permanent setup on the deck. So this is some of the stuff that we got down yesterday. I'll give you a look at this. And it's looking pretty awesome. Quite happy with what's going on. Today we'll be working on the roof and putting kind of a temp roof up for now till we get the mill and get the lumber for the roof, but I think it's working out pretty good. Pretty happy with the setup for the roof. So we're gonna have rain collection pointed towards this, and then it'll come down the eaves trough and into our rain collection. So yeah, we're pretty stoked, and yeah, we'll give you some video today, maybe from the water as well, because we're gonna put the old boat in the water today. So should be good. Stay tuned.